Ever wondered what makes dreams so vivid in REM? Unravel the secrets of your sleeping brain now. In REM sleep, your brain's activity equals when awake, aiding memory processing. While in REM, sleep acts as an emotional reset, processing your emotional experiences. During REM, your brain organizes chaotic data to enhance its overall cognitive functions. REM sleep can boost your memory recall by up to 50% overnight, enhancing learning. Your body paralyzes in REM, so you don't act out your dreams. Infants require 50% of their sleep as REM, vital for brain development. REM sleep enhances creativity by sparking imagination and enhancing problem-solving skills rapidly. Disrupting REM sleep often can heavily affect your cognitive and emotional wellness. Your procedural memory strengthens in REM, key to mastering new skills efficiently. Experience lucid dreams in REM, where you can control and alter dream narratives fully. Discover more about your sleep intricacies. Like, subscribe, and share your night adventures with us.